Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your hardware and OS so you don't chase the wrong download. Open Device Manager and confirm an Intel HD graphics adapter is present, then check Settings System About for your Windows build and architecture. Once done, choose the correct driver. Prefer the Intel DCH graphics package unless your laptop maker provides a customized OEM driver. Make sure Windows Update is paused while you download the installer to prevent conflicts. Run the downloaded driver installer with administrator rights and follow the prompts to install the graphics driver and associated control software. After the installer finishes, restart your PC. Many Intel components only register after reboot. Once restarted, look in the Start menu for Intel Graphics Control Panel or Intel Graphics Command Center. If the classic control panel isn't present, install the Intel Graphics Command Center from the Microsoft Store and sign in if prompted. This step reveals modern controls and per-app GPU. Open the Intel Graphics application and configure your displays, scaling, and performance presets. You'll see why the app matters for games and multiple monitors. Next, run the Intel driver and support assistant or your OEM support tool to confirm you have the latest compatible driver. If the control panel still won't appear, perform a clean driver uninstall and reinstall. Use Device Manager to remove the device driver or a utility like the in safe mode. Then reinstall the correct Intel DCH driver and reboot once more.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.